Hi, myself, I'm Ratna Bhushan, a friend, motivator, and guide to IAS aspirant, international motivational speaker, leadership trainer, CEO, coach, political strategist, and policy advisor. Welcome to ASGIS. ASGIS, the leading institute for IAS preparation, believe in quality, commitment, and success. So, we are discussing about 1997 means general studies paper. The question is, what is cryogenic engine? What is cryogenic engine? Explain its importance to our country. Cryogenic means low temperature. Cryogenic means low temperature. Cryogenic means low temperature. Cryogenic technology used in satellite launch vehicles and rockets. Liquid oxygen and liquid hydrogen are used as the propellant. Liquid oxygen requires temperature below minus 183 centigrade, and liquid hydrogen requires temperature below minus 253 centigrade. Liquid oxygen is highly reactive. Liquid oxygen is highly reactive. These engines give much more thrust in comparison to other propellant of same weight. They are very efficient and are used throughout the world. In 1995, a successful ground firing of the liquid engine was achieved by ISRO. This engine can be proved very helpful in launch of heavy vehicles in space. India is launching many satellites, and so this technology is much required for its space program development. When India will develop this technology, it will provide not only self-reliance in space project but also a big market of satellite launch of the world. What is mad cow disease? What is mad cow disease? What is mad cow disease? Mad cow disease, as it popularly known, is called bovine spongiform encephalopathy in medical science technology. This disease is progressive neurological disorder of cattle. In 1996, it was spread among cows in UK, causing widespread dangerous alert in the world as it can be transmitted to other species including humans. In humans, it is called Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease, after the two doctors who first described the symptoms of the disease. This disease occurs in the cows, and therefore the term bovine is used. It causes a sponge-like destruction of the brains. So used term NSEF means brain, and pathy means pathology, meaning an abnormality. Its symptoms include excitable nervous temperament to external stimuli such as touch to the skin, progressive unsteadiness of the gait, resulting eventually in the inability to stand up. The disease has proved virtually 100% fatal. In human, Creutzfeldt-Jakob causes memory loss, emotional instability, including inappropriate outbursts, and unsteady gait, progressing to marked weaknesses, severe rapidly progressive dementia, and death often within a year of onset symptoms. What is fullerness? Why are they important? What are fullerness? Why are they important? Fullerness, a derived form of carbon with heavy atomic masses consisting of 60 nucleus of carbon in its single atom. This heavy atom was the first declared by the Buckminster Fuller, and so it was given name fullerene. It is a ball-like structure developed by Harold Kroto and Richard Smalley in 1985. These are important in the fields of the industries due to a specific characteristic. Because of ball-like strong structure, they are used as a lubricants, that is due to high band affinity among its atoms. They are with the same purposes used in ball bearings. When allied with some other metals, they become superconductors and so can be used in electricity transmission without or negligible waste of electricity. They are also used in electrodes of battery. It can be substituted to accommodate many hydrogen atoms. Then it gets characteristic of catalyst to be used in various chemical reactors. Due to various industrial uses, this fullerene are getting importance day by day. What is polio? Next question is, what is polio? Name its few features and how it can be prevented. Polio is a communicable disease. Communicable disease. It is caused by virus type 1, type 2, type 3. It is spread through contaminated food and water from the nose, throat, or intestine by sneezing, coughing, etc. It targets children below 5 years, especially in areas with poor sanitation in developing countries. Mild symptoms are fever, headache, sore throat, vomiting, which may lead to a severe polio. Sometimes the virus passes to spinal cord, affects nervous cells which activate muscles. Sometimes it results in paralysis and rare cases it causes death by respiratory failure. There is no drug. There is no drug to kill or control the spread of polio virus. Two vaccines, one inactive polio vaccine, another active oral polio vaccine OPV, oral polio vaccine OPV, oral polio vaccine OPV are there for immunization against the polio. OPV is the best vaccine for mass immunization. OPV is best vaccine for the mass immunization. WHO declared 1995 as the year of polio eradication, targeting year 2000 for target 2000, that is for world without polio. Its spread can be prevented through masses immunization program by vaccinating children with dosage of 5 to 6 years of age. Now 20 to 25 words of these questions. Why was MODVAT, MODVAT, why was MODVAT scheme introduced in the year 1986? MODVAT implies modified value added tax. Modified value added tax introduced in 1986-87 budget to exclude the possibility of double taxation. It is levied on final goods and it is abolished tax on inputs and intermediate goods. What was rationale for midday meal scheme? Midday meal scheme. Midday meal scheme. By providing midday meal free of cost in schools run by local bodies and government aided private primary school, the government wanted to promote primary education in the country. Describe the use of command area development in India. Command area development in India. Command area development in India. In India, it can improve utilization of irrigation facilities and potential sustain productivity and increase production of agriculture. What are the objectives of social forestry? With involvement of public trees are planted on the wastelands of the government, use of such forest products are allowed to society which can raise source of their income. Next question. What are the main objective of 9th 5-year plan? 9th 5-year plan. Growth with social justice and equality. Growth with social justice and equality. Growth with social justice and equality by providing appropriate direction and balance to socio-economic development of the country is the main objective of 9th 5-year plan. Growth with social justice and equality. What do Rule 184 and 193, 193 in parliamentary procedure signify? Rule 184 and 193 in parliamentary procedure signify. Rule 184 signifies the contempt motions are different from non-confidence motion. Rule 193 signifies that the speaker or the chairperson can allow a short time for the discussion on a matter of importance. Next question. What is meant by Gujarat Doctrine? Gujarat Doctrine write its specific principles. It is a foreign policy doctrine propounded by Mr. I.K. Gujral, India's former Prime Minister. It emphasizes relation to India with the neighboring countries in trade and political cooperation. It respects sovereignty, equality and privacy of matters for every nation. Next question is, give a brief account of CMP, Common Minimum Program. Common Minimum Program of the United Front Government at the center. It includes all important aspects of policies of every party with emphasis on socialistic pattern, eradication of poverty and unemployment, development of agriculture and villages, prevention of misuse of Article 356, etc. Write any fundamental duty prescribed in the Constitution of India. Overall, there are, according to Article 51A, there are 11 fundamental duties. 4 fundamental duties prescribed in the Constitution of India are to uphold and protect the sovereignty, unity and integrity of India, to defend the country and render national services when called upon to do so, to value and preserve rich heritage of our composite culture, to safeguard public property, and to observe violence. The next question is, what specific provision exists in the Constitution of India about child labor? About child labor. Article 24. Article 24 provides that children below the age of 14 years shall not be employed to work in any factory or mine or engaged in any other hazardous employment. What is Article 356 in the Indian Constitution? Comment. Article 356 relates to failure of constitutional machinery in states. It empowers the president to assume the functions of the government of a state to himself. It is popularly known as presidential rule in the state. Presidential rule in state. Presidential rule in state. What is the safe level of noise for human ear? What is the safe level of noise for the human ear? Give the noise level of the electric bell. The safe level of noise for the human ear, including, according to WHO, is 45 decibel. 45 decibel dB. The noise level of electric bell is 85 to 90 dB. 85 to 90 dB. What is the difference between a comet and meteor? Comet and meteor. A comet is an object with a tail which revolves around the sun, made of gas and dust. A meteor burns in the atmosphere due to frictions while attracted to the earth. What is email? Email is a technique of communication to send and receive text messages between the two computers using internet. It uses telephone line. These are the abbreviation from TIFR. TIFR, Tata Institute of Fundamental Research. TIFR, Tata Institute of Fundamental Research. DRDO, Defense Research and Development Organization. Defense Research and Development Organization. NEERI, National Environmental Engineering and Research Institute. What is tissue culture? What is tissue culture? Tissue culture is a technique of growing cells and tissues artificially in basal medium with necessary substance like sugars, vitamins, minerals, salts, etc. And the last question of 1997 paper, what are quasar? QUASAR. Quasars. They are compact extragalactic object looking like a point of light. They emit energy. Some quasars are also radio sources. Thank you so much.